How to lower your price on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can lower your price on Facebook Marketplace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook account, because Facebook Marketplace can only be found on the Facebook social media. So once you're logged into your Facebook account, navigate through to your marketplace by clicking on your profile menu. All right, so once you click on marketplace, you'll be brought to your home page here. Now on this home page, by the left side of the screen, you see a menu, right? Go ahead and select buying. Buying is located below selling is located below buying and above create a new listing. This is take it to your selling dashboard. So once you're your selling dashboard, you'll see your items here together with their prices and everything. Currently, I do not have any products that I have uploaded on Facebook Marketplace. That's why this place is empty. But for you, you will see all of your items here. Just go ahead and click on the products whose price you want to change. Once you've clicked on it, by the right side of the screen, you will see three dots. Ensure you tap on it. Once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Select edit listing. All right, once you click on edit listing, a box will pop up, and then ensure you find the price field and then make the necessary changes. All right, just locate the price field and then change the price to your desired price. So this is how you can lower your price on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.